naman dito sa... So, wow, I'm very overwhelmed by the fact na na-meet ko sila, pero I think nakakataba ng puso whenever they talk about us. They talk about how volleyball fans were very genuine, very appreciative as well, and nakakatuwa na na-enjoy nila yung pagstay nila dito sa Philippines. And nakakatuwa din, most especially, na nare-recognize yung mga volleyball players natin dito sa Philippines. And hopefully, mas mag-improve pa tayo and mas maganda pa, dumami pa tayo sa volleyball community because of all of this exposure. Thank you, guys. About the snacks, all the Filipinos have been giving them. I think one of his favorite would be Napoleones now. So if you guys want to give them Napoleones, I think they will finish it. Aside from that, I think he's sharing about the qualifying stuff, the number of sets they need to qualify. So they're really having. Well, they were kind of disappointed with the result, but he was telling me that they need to practice more and rest for the Olympics. Yeah.
How did it feel naman talking to him?
Well, it feels great. And, you know, I think one of the most recognized volleyball players also right now would be one of the best setters. So I'm getting goosebumps and overwhelmed by that fact that they recognize also Filipino volleyball players. So salamat. So we'll be supporting all of them in the following months.
Ano isa yung gaano lang kalaki sa tingin mo for the Philippine volleyball yung mga pag-host tayo ng mga ganitong klase with the superstars in the world now?
You know what? Sa amin pa nga lang, ang dami namin natututunan. What more visually also, most especially yung mga nagsisimula pa lang sa volleyball, maganda exposure na sa kanila. So hopefully, mas maganda yung ipakita natin at mag-improve tayo sa team. And sana mag-start din to na mas panoorin yung Spikers Turf and the buong volleyball games, and support natin din as we support the other teams here in the Philippines.
Alyssa, ano masasabi mo sa success ng pag-host ng Philippines?
I know, I think I'm gonna say it, but I think we're really one of the, right now we're a volleyball country, we're a volleyball nation. Napakasayang makita na punong-punong yung arena, supporting and really, alam mo yun, it's so nice, they're all cheering for both USA and Japan in today's game. So napakagandang scenario, sitwasyon din dito sa loob ng arena. So we're just really hoping na magtuloy-tuloy itong suporta ng buong volleyball community sa volleyball in general here in the Philippines and all over the world.
Thanks, Alyssa.